Hey, what's up? This is Nick from zappycode.com, and in this section we're going to be talking about UI split view controllers. Ugh, what a long name. UI split view controller. But essentially all it is it's a way for your apps to look really good on big devices like this iPad, and also to look good on smaller devices like this iPhone. Okay, so the UI split view controller, it's really cool because it takes a lot of the thinking away from you, and it just says, hey, if I have a lot of screen real estate, I'm going to show two view controllers side by side so the user kind of gets more context of where they are. And if I don't have as much screen size, I'll just show, one view controller, and once you tap on something, I'll show you the details of it. And if this isn't specifically clear, think about Messages or Mail, the two apps that come default on iOS devices that use split view controllers really well. Or I'll show you here in Apple Music, okay? So Apple Music, we've got a list of all of our artists here. And here I am pushing buttons, okay? Come back to this. So we have all our artists here on the side, and you can scroll through that, and I say, you know what? I decide that I want to hear some more Bone Thugs-n-Harmony. So by tapping on this, that affects what's over here. Now this view controller is showing all their albums and stuff. And because there's enough space, it can show both the lists of artists and all the albums of one particular artist that you have selected. Okay, so that's when you have a lot of space. Now when you don't have as much space, it'll show just a list of all the artists. And then if you want to know about the Bone Thugs, you tap on that, and then it goes into the detail of all their albums, and you can hit the back button to get back there. And the UI split view controller handles all of that. It takes the equation out. It just says, okay, is there enough space? Okay, I'll go ahead and show both. Oh, if there's not enough, I'll just show this one. And it makes it really easy for you as a developer to cover both, the big iPhone 6 Pluses and the iPads, but also the smaller stuff, just regular iPhones and whatnot, and maybe even one of those cursed iPhone 4S. If you have that phone, please upgrade. It's very small and out of date. Anyways, the way that we're going to learn this is we're first going to make an app, okay? And I'll walk you all the way through from a beginning sketch all the way to a very polished app that you'll be extremely proud of. And then after that, we have a challenge. And the challenge is when you go off on your own. I'll kind of get you started, but that's where the real learning happens so that you'll cement this and be able to put these split view controllers inside of your own code. So with that, let's go jump into the app and figure out how to use this split view thing. Remember, if you need help with anything, go on over to zappycode.com and click on Live Help. This will launch our chat room that's open 24/7. Get the help you need and code on, bruh!